I am Mrs. Visalachi, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to see GK Chapter 8 Global Languages. Now, come to the lesson. There are roughly 6,500 languages spoken in the world today. However, about 2,000 of them are spoken by fewer than 1,000 people. The most widely spoken language is Mandarin Chinese. Afghanistan is a multilingual language. Pashto and Dari are both official and widely spoken. Pashto is the first official language of Afghanistan, which is the mother tongue of 70% of Afghan people. Arabic is official language of Saudi Arabia, but English is widely spoken. It is used in business and is a compulsory second language in schools. Arabic is a Semitic language that is first emerged in the first to 4th centuries CE. Australia has no official language. English has been enlarged as a facto national language. Australian English is a major variety of language with a distinctive pronunciation and differs slightly from other varieties of English in grammar and spelling. Now, our neighboring country and island, Sri Lanka. Several languages are spoken in Sri Lanka, accounts official status to Sinhala and Tamil. Sinhala, also known as a Sinhalese, is an Indo-Aryan language primarily spoken by the Sinhalese people of Sri Lanka. Next one is Argentina. Argentina official language is Spanish. Argentina has enjoyed so much international migration that Arabic, Italian, German, English, and French. Switzerland has four national languages, mainly German. The varieties of German language spoken in Switzerland is called Swiss German. German is the sole official language in 17 Swiss cantons. Official language of Netherlands is Dutch, spoken by almost all people in Netherlands. It is a West Germanic, Low Franconia language that originated in the early Middle Ages. Vatican City use Italian as its official documents and as its main working language. Italian is a Romance language of the Indo European language family. Portuguese is the first language of a vast majority of Brazilians. The Portuguese language has undergone many transformations both in the mother country and in its former colony. Arabic became the official national language of Algeria in 1990, and most Algeria speak one of the several dialects of vernacular Arabic. The official language of Israel is Hebrew. Hebrew is a Northwest Semitic language native of Israel. Many different languages are spoken in Mexico, though Spanish is the most widespread. Spanish was brought to Mexico in the 16th century. The official language of Republic of Cyprus are Greek and Turkish. Greek is an independent branch of the Indo-European family of language. Persian language is the most widely spoken member of the Iranian branch of Indo-Iranian languages. a subfamily of Indo-European languages. Arabic is the official language of Syria and is the most widely spoken language in the country. Arabic is the Semitic language that first emerged in the 1st to 4th century. The official language of the Austria is German. Austria German is a variety of standard German written and spoken language. Over 1600 languages and dialects are spoken in India. There are 22 official languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Hindi and Bengali are two of the 10 most widely spoken languages in the world. In our book, it is given like a match. The language with the state, union territory where it is particularly spoken. Kannada is a Dravidian language spoken predominantly by the people of Karnataka in southwest region of India. The official language of Sikkim is Nepali. Nepal is an Indo-Aryan language of sub-branch of Eastern Pahari. Kasi is an aristocratic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya, spoken in India by the Kasi people. Malayalam is a Dravidian language spoken in the Indian state of Kerala and Union territories of Lakshadweep and Pondicherry by the Malayali people. Dodri is of a northern Indo-Aryan language spoken by about 5 million people in India, chiefly in Jammu and Kashmir. It is also spoken in Himachal Pradesh and in northern Punjab region. Now, Chapter 9, Animal Vision. The eyes of some animals such as cats, dogs and lemurs glow in a dark because they have a layer of cells lining and black which acts like a mirror and reflect light. Two of the grasshoppers' five eyes are compound eyes. They are placed on either side of the head and contained thousands of single lenses that help the grasshopper see in front, on a side, and at the back. Unlike other animals, goats, horse, and deer have wide rectangular pupils that allow them to see at a 330-degree angle. Human can see up to an angle of 185 only. The eyes of the dragonfly are so huge that they almost cover its entire head and provide a full 360-degree field of vision. The eyes of the chameleon are independent of each other. This means it can look in two completely different directions at the same time. Gecko's eyes have many light sensitive cells which enable it to see up to 350 times better than human beings. It can even see colors in the dark. The colossal squid, a marine animal, has the largest eyes of any living animal. They measure nearly 30 centimeters in diameter, about the size of a human head. In this session, we learn two lessons, namely global languages, animal vision. Thank you.